So hi guys, I'm here and I'm back for another video. And to be honest, I didn't have anything to upload today, so might as well show this random holiday themed kind of thing. So I don't usually drink coffee, but for some reason, actually recently, since I've been hanging out with my dad a lot, so I've been going to Starbucks a lot, and it just happened to start their like planner season. So it's the holiday season, so you buy a certain amount of drinks. For this planner, it was 18 drinks, so 8 regular and 8 holiday. Then you get Starbucks planner, and it comes in two versions, two colors and two sizes. So I got the large, dark brown one. So yeah, let's open this. So this, I'm just gonna like zoom out a bit. There. This is what the box looks like. So it's their 20th year here in the Philippines. And here is what the back looks like. I know Korea has, like, I think one of the best ones this year, just because they had the Pantone one. But yeah, and apparently people are buying the Korean ones. So I've already opened this beforehand, but just because I got this I think around a few days ago, and I'm on my way to the next one. I only have 3 stickers left. So yeah. So it comes in this leather jacket or sleeve, which is in this wrapping paper. I don't want. Okay. You just need to like get the corners out. Yeah. Right? No? No. It's not. Oh my god. Like I don't even use planners. But I did get some of the holiday planners in the past years. I did get Asiano's best one in college. Then last year I got the coffee bean and tea leaf planner. So this is the sleeve. It says Starbucks and the logo. Not sure if this is authentic leather or something. I don't know. So yeah, it comes in with these little things. I really don't know how to do this. So yeah. Then next is we get a stencil. I'm not gonna be removing this because my mom is gonna be using the planner. Although I don't know if she's gonna do this, if she's gonna use a stencil. So we have some shapes here, some icons and some letters. Then it also kind of serves as a ruler as well. Not sure if you can see it. But yeah, there. Then we have a calendar. For 2018. Something small. Then this is the large one. There's a smaller version, and I got this version. The other one has like a more green and orange, or more green dominated one, I guess. So there. So it's all like paint, and 2018 yearly planner is embossed in silver. As you can see, side is like this. Let's remove that paper. Then the back just says Starbucks Philippines 20 years together. And that's cute. So I'm not gonna be opening every page, I guess. I'm gonna be showing you on like the key one. So we'll start off with this. There's some information. Then you get a Starbucks card. I think it's a limited edition one that only comes in the planner. It's really pretty. But I have one already. Yeah, I don't know if maybe I'll give it to someone else. Maybe my mom will. So now is the opening page for January. So Happy New Year. And we have the monthly view, monthly scheduler, then daily. Then after every month, there's nothing. You can just go straight to the next month for February. that's what it looks like. Then we have for March, I Am Here. The I Am Here cups are really cute. Like, I don't want to collect them, but I just find them really cute. Although it will be a really nice thing if you're like traveling a lot and you like coffee. Or you drink a lot of coffee. April, so music. Then May, so stamp theme. I don't think people even use stamps or provided to send. Oh, there are stamps provided? I didn't know. It comes with this bookmark thing. Then it also has the special days like holidays and all. Then for June, if you've noticed, there are some activities on the side, so maybe you do it. This is a bit more colorful, I like it. Then we have for July. So I guess you put, or no, you design your own Starbucks card. The next month is my birth month, August. So it's like ticket themed. Then we have for September. Oh, September is a long month. We have October. We have November. And we have December 2018. One thing that I do wish that they put in these planners is that extra month, or did they put? No, it's just the notes page. So it's the same thing. Then at the end part you get the coupons or the coupons. It is divided by month. So this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, January to May, and so on. And we don't get stuff for November and December, right? Then the last page is the message that with every redeem planner comes a donation to our partner NGOs or non-government organizations in cultivating change one planner at a time. And there's the serial phone thing. So that was that for the Starbucks 2018 yearly planner. I don't usually get the other ones, and I don't actually use planners, but just thought that it would be a nice thing to show you guys what the planner from the Philippines looks like in video form. So if you guys are collecting stickers as well for the planners for this year, let me know. And it'd be really nice if you guys show what the planner for your country looks like. So yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!